I'm Susan and I'm a caseworker. I have been responsible for managing Louise Smith's cases for the past year. She has one child, Nathan. She receives both food and cash assistance, and she works seasonal and part-time jobs. As a result, her income changes frequently. She has visited me on several occasions to tell me of changes to her income. She has contacted me again to tell me that her income has increased from $110 weekly to $115, effective from the 22nd of December 2017. I'm going to ensure that this change in income is recorded correctly. I have searched for and opened Louise's person case on our system. I open her income support integrated case for cash assistance. I click on the Evidence tab and select Active Evidence. I see earned income on the active evidence list and I expand it. From the action menu on the most recent earned income record, I select Edit, opening the Edit modal. I want to add a succession to the income record, so I update the received date, the effective date of change, as well as the amount to reflect Louise's recent change in wage from $110 to $115 per week. I need to record a new verification as a result of the change. I select Verifications and add proof in the form of a pay stub that Louise has supplied. Once the verification has been added, I apply changes relating to the earned income and save. I then navigate to Louise's person case and open her income support integrated case for food assistance so that I can ensure the update to her wages is captured across all of her cases. I select the Evidence tab and immediately see there is incoming evidence. I navigate to the incoming evidence list and from the action menu select to compare the income evidence with existing evidence. I see the incoming evidence, which is the update of the earned income I have just made on the cash assistance case. I see a lot of existing evidence too. It is not clear if this is the same record or individual evidence records. I want a new succession record to be created when I accept this evidence onto the case. I select Accept with this expectation, but it is not clear. Verification proof is required on this case also. So I navigate to the verification list and add the proof in the form of a payslip that Louise has provided. I then apply the changes to the earned income evidence record. Finally, to ensure that the succession was created as I expected, I select the Active Evidence tab, expand the earned income record, and confirm that the evidence was updated with the succession as I expected. This process takes time, as I'm not sure the system is behaving as I expect. I always need to figure out whether it is or is not behaving as I expect, and it can be very confusing. I have searched for and opened Louise's person case on our system. I open her income support integrated case for cash assistance. I click on the Evidence tab and select Active Evidence. I see earned income on the active evidence list and I expand it. From the Action menu on the most recent earned income record, I select Edit, which opens the Edit modal. I want to add a succession to the income record, so I update the received date, the effective date of change, and the amount to reflect Louise's recent change from $100 to $105 per week. I need to record a new verification as a result of the change, so I select Verifications and add proof in the form of a pay stub that Louise has provided. Once the verification has been added, I can apply changes relating to the earned income. I then navigate to the Eligibility tab, and I see that she is still eligible for food assistance. Next, I navigate to Louise's person case and open her income support integrated case for food assistance so that I can ensure the update to her wages is captured across all of her cases. I select the Evidence tab and immediately see that there's incoming evidence. I navigate to the incoming evidence list. Here, I see that the updated income record has been shared to the Income Support Cash Assistance integrated case from the Income Support Food Assistance integrated case. I can see the timeline of information on both income evidence records. The effective date and amount values differ, and this is highlighted so I know immediately what is the difference. I see that there is a difference in dates, which makes it clear to me that there is a new effective date. I am confident that this is the updated income record. So from the action menu on the existing income evidence, I choose to update with incoming. This will update the existing evidence with the up-to-date income evidence, creating a succession. After selecting Update with Incoming, I am presented with the first page in the Update with Incoming wizard. On this page, I select the evidence record I want to accept. The system will then link the incoming and existing evidence and automatically process the update. The timeline will be recreated as necessary, and it will be updated on the current case and also sent back to the source case. On the next page, I need to choose which action to take. I am dealing with an incoming succession for the income record, and as such I have an effective date, which is pre-populated. It is a new version of the earned income record, not a correction to the existing record. Therefore, I select New Version and not Correction. After selecting Next, I am brought to the Edit Earned Income Evidence page. The system has pre-populated the incoming record into the edit modal so that I can review and confirm the incoming evidence that will be taken on. Pre-populating the edit modal saves time and is confirmation of the incoming details that will be taken onto the case. It is an opportunity for me to make final modifications to this record too. Once I am happy with my review, I click Save. I am returned to the incoming evidence comparison screen. I refresh the list to ensure there is no more incoming evidence. The earned income record has now been updated by the system, with the new succession noting that Louise's salary has increased to $105 effective from the 22nd of December. I navigate to the In-Edit list, where I select to apply changes from the action menu. I then select the Eligibility tab, where I see that Louise and Nathan remain eligible for cash assistance. This process is much clearer, and I am confident that the system is behaving as I expect.